Hey, I'm switching to Android. I just want to go ahead and put that out there that I am switching to Android. I'm done with Android and I'm switching to Android. I just feel like, why would I continue to use Android? You know what I mean? When I can just use Android. You know what I mean? So, one reason why I'm switching to Android is because on this particular Android phone, it's got a beautiful outer display, and then you can open it up and you get another display on the inside. So I'm switching to Android for that reason. I think that's one of the main reasons that I'm switching, because you just can't do that on Android phones. So I'm definitely switching to Android because I think this is what Android phones, should be doing at this time. So screens like this is a reason to use Android. So I was hesitant on leaving Android, but I decided to go ahead and leave Android and then switch to Android because I feel like I just wasn't getting a good enough experience on Android. And then once I saw this phone, the Z Fold 7, I was like, oh, that's what Android should be. I could open it up like this, and then I could also have it in this regular phone orientation right here. Like, this is what Android is all about. You know what I mean? So this was one of the driving factors for me switching to Android. I'm a longtime Android user, and I had to switch to Android. It was inevitable that I switched to Android. So yeah, that was one of the driving factors. Another driving factor for me switching to Android was its hardware. I mean, its hardware, like, is so this is like thin hardware, like on an Android phone. You know what I'm saying? So I was like, ooh, look at that. Switching to Android was easy based on this hardware. You know, the phone is just so sleek, and I compared it next to other Android phones, and other Android phones just didn't measure up. So it was an easy transition to switch to this Android from the other from Android, because Android has gotten kind of boring. You know what I mean? So I feel like if you're going to use Android. Like, this is the real Android. You know what I mean? So yeah, that was another driving factor. And I got tired of the performance on Android, so it just wasn't holding up like I thought it should. But then I switched to Android, and then boom, I'm getting killer performance, like, left and right. Like, this Android phone it has no hiccups right now. And I just feel like if you decide to leave Android, you should join. You should get Android like this. This is great, man. Another thing is the software. So Android is like boring. So you should switch to Android so you can have like a great software experience. I mean, Android is loaded with tons of functionality and features, man. And then Android is just, this is just where it's at, man. So if you want to try something new, different from Android, you should try Android, because I just think this is a step in the right direction. It's going to win a lot of people over too. So many people haven't tried Android. Like, they're still on Android and they haven't even tried Android. So I think to me, it was a no-brainer to switch to Android. I'm a longtime Android user, and I was like, I gotta switch. So it was nervous at first. I was nervous when I was actually making the switch. I don't know. I was scared. I was scared to switch. And then one day I just woke up, and then I saw this Android, and I said, this phone, like, is so crazy. I was like, I think I'm gonna do it. Yeah, it's different. I know it's way out there. It's something totally different, because I gotta have my bubbles. You know what I mean? I gotta have the bubbles. Blue bubble gang all day, right? But I just think the software on here is loaded with a nice software, and compared to Android. You know what I mean? Like, this is it. This software is so killer. I don't know. It's just, you're gonna have to use it. I know it's scary to switch, but you're gonna have to use it, and then you'll see exactly like why I switched to Android. You're gonna be like, whoa, I can see why he switched to Android. So another thing about Android phones, I just wasn't a fan of their camera quality. I don't think their camera quality measures up. So I had to switch to Android, man. I mean, switching to Android was probably one of the best decisions I made. It took me a long time, but camera quality has always been good on Android, man. It was good, but this is top notch. Like Android has never been into this. It's never been better. I can shoot all kinds of video and everything on here. The quality is good. The photos are incredible. Just making the transition, like, it's easier than you think. But I know it can be a little nerve-wracking for some people that's coming from Android, but the longer you wait to switch to Android, the longer you're gonna be missing out. So, I mean, security and stuff like that, like Android has never been secure. But when I switched to Android, I was like, yo, this is super, it's so, everything is, the messages are encrypted, everything is so crazy. I just didn't know how I was gonna feel about it, you know what I'm saying? Because again, blue bubble gang, who wants to see that green bubble crap? So, yeah, the security of the device, things, it's encrypted. You can also have stuff like encrypted on the device to where, you know, it's not really, it's not out in the world, it's only on the device, which I think is like, and Android has never done that before. I mean, people who use Android phones, man, I don't know. I'm not gonna call them poor, but, you know, some people talk like that about people who use Android phones. And I'm glad I switched to Android. That's all I can say. I'm glad I switched to Android because, you know, the screen, the hardware, the cameras on Android, the processing is just better on Android. Like there's nothing better, you know what I'm saying, that's going on right now. And when I was using Android, I didn't like the battery life on Android. And so when I switched to Android, oh, the battery life is crazy on Android, man. It's sick. It is sick. It is so sick. Like I could really literally go a couple days. On Android, man, I might have got a day. Might have got a day out of it. But, you know, I don't know what else to tell you about trying to make the switch to Android. But if you do decide to switch also, if you decide to switch, yo, switching is easy. To go from Android, man, it's easy. I thought it was going to be hard to transfer from Android, but I did a transfer and then everything switched over. My messages, I can choose anything I want to transfer over to my Android phone. You know, so leave Android alone, man. Leave Android alone. I highly recommend that you switch to Android because you can transition over here to where the real hardware and software and players are instead of being over there, you know, with the other Android crew, man. It's not even, leave Android alone and switch to Android. I'm telling you, this is the best thing I did was switch to Android. It is the best, straight up, hands down. So I just want to tell you those are some of the reasons why I switched to Android. I know it's going to be hard for a lot of people to understand why I switched to Android, but it's just, I had to do it. You know what I mean? So I wanted better hardware. I wanted software. I wanted cameras. I wanted battery. I wanted performance, durability too. I wanted this right here. Like, you see this? This is nuts. Yeah. So I had to switch to Android. You know what I'm saying? It was a thing for me. Switching to Android was super easy. And I think it'll be easy for you too. So switch to Android, and I think you'll be a lot happier with your mobile experience. And I think you'll make new friends using Android. You don't have to worry about that the bubbles and all that kind of stuff right there. You'll make new friends. I made new friends already because they was like, oh man, he switched to Android. So they was happy that I switched to Android. And I'm happy that I switched to Android. I know it took me a long time, but at least I did it. And that means you can do it too. So anyway, it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm finally switched to Android, and I gotta say, I'm actually pretty happy about it. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.